if you look at sort of other organizations that used to be chaotic, used to not be at all data driven, and every organization had their own process and specialty. I think engineering, in some ways, we've always felt like it's actually got amazing data. I mean, everything we do as engineers is tracked. If I write source code, I check it into a source code control system. If I deploy systems, I'm using a CI/CD system. I mean, everything I'm doing as an engineer is has ambient tracking already built into our system, but none of that data is being used at all to really help create better outcomes and provide better visibility, at least have conversations about what's going on. And that was sort of our opportunity. We just kept saying, gosh, this makes so much sense. There needs to be an engineering performance management solution. There needs to be that sort of category, much like we have in every other part of the companies, emerging companies, because engineering is just too critical. It's too important. It would be like if the Dodgers went out and spent 20 or 30 or $40 million on a star pitcher and just said, hey, you're off on your own. Good luck. Let us know if you win some games, right? It would be ludicrous. No, they're going to surround that person or those teams of people with the best. They're going to hire the best, and they're going to surround them with all and give them all the tools, all the infrastructure, all the statistics, everything they need to be peak performance. And we should treat engineering the same way. I think it's a craft. I think it's important to our civilization as technology becomes more and more important. And I think we ought to treat it as such. And we also need to be accountable to the outcomes. And back to your original question of why, engineers wants to know why. What are the things that I'm doing? How do they impact what outcomes the business is achieving?